Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. I am finally doing my February Boxycharm base box. I got this about a week ago and I never got it up. So check it out. XOXO. I should have done this before Valentine's Day. It's got a little Valentine's Day theme going on. And now we're moving into like St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, spring. So I'm just going to go through what is in the box. Boxycharm is a subscription box. I think they are $24.99 per month. I always goof on that. Let me see. It's either 21 or 24 for the base box. Boxycharm has so many boxes that it's a little bit difficult to figure out. Let me see. It's not even on their website. Oh, yeah. So $25 a month if it's monthly, although if you get a year, prepay for a year, it's $22.92 for the box. So I was close. So I got my little card here. The only bad thing is these are hard to see. So first up, Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. I do like Wander Beauty. This is a $36 value. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is sealed. I always love a good product that's sealed. I love the safety seal. Only sometimes it's hard to get it open. I need my scissors. Oh no, my scissors are gone. I have my Hogwarts letter opener though. This should work just as well. Might even work better. It destroyed the box. Got it. Let me see here. Cute little packaging going on there. And then, oh, we did get a mirror. I always like it when you get a mirror with a product. Although, let me cover the mirror so I don't blind you guys with my lights. Check it out. I actually really like this palette. What I like about it is this After Hours. I do like a nice, like, highlighty shade. Look at that. You can't see it because it's too highlighty. But anyway, this is a really pretty palette. I will definitely utilize that. So yay, that was good product number one. If I get like one or two products out of a beauty box that I like, I'm all in. Okay, the Levito Age Away Hydrating Cream. Okay, that is this one. This is a $55 value. It's antioxidant rich, sea buckthorn, evening primrose, rich in fatty acids. I will probably gift this one. I probably wouldn't use this, but that's okay. It's a nice product. I have a lot of friends and family that I keep bags for, and the stuff that I don't use always gets used. So that's always a good thing. Next up is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep. Check this out. I am keeping this one. This is the 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. It's funny. The other day, I was looking for a toner. I'm like, I need a new toner for spring. These are this is a $28 value. So I'm actually excited about this one. This is going to go right in the bathroom. Check this out. Deep Sweep pore cleaning with moringa and papaya. So I like using these kind of astringents. This one is paraben-free, formaldehyde-free, synthetic fragrance-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. A lot of free in there. Next up, we have the Tarte. Oh, that's cute. What is this? The Tarte Miracle Mist. I think this is a setting spray. It's a vegan superfruit setting spray. Try saying that fast. I will probably not use this. I usually don't set my makeup. I don't have it on long enough. I don't have it on all night or anything. So this is definitely going to go in one of the bins to get gifted. And then the final thing I got from Dose of Colors is the Block Party Single Eyeshadow. Oh, the Tarte was a $23 value. This cracks me up. This is a $20 value. That's why I love beauty boxes, because there is no way I would spend $20 for a little tiny eyeshadow. So check it out. It's super cute. Look at that little holographic thing going on there. Let me see. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. Look at this. This is like really, holy moly, is this pigmented. Eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex. Oh my goodness, this is really, really, I don't know what color it is. Oh, there goes Cocoa. It's not even, this is kind of interesting. This actually isn't as dark as I thought it would be. Check it out. It is definitely, oh my gosh, the mail or something. Delivery, must be here, but check it out. To me, I would never pay $20 for anything like this. I'll probably use it, but it's kind of neat to get in the beauty box. But like I said, not a bad box this month. I will definitely use the Wander palette, and I will definitely use the Pharmacy Deep Sweep. So like I said, I got my money's worth. So that's why I love beauty boxes. I like to get something in the mail. I like to get a variety of stuff. So like I said, if you're interested in Boxycharm, my referral link is below. We'll have to see what I get. I think next month. I do get the Luxe. I always get excited when I get the Luxe box. So that is coming up. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.